So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a wipe transition between clips here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is obviously add multiple clips to your video here in iMovie. So for me right now, just actually have a 6-second white background clip. So to add another clip, we're going to go ahead here. I go to the middle, go to the left side and press on the plus icon. And how about we add a gradient of sort of this orange yellow color right here. Now by default, it actually makes the transition a dissolve transition. So if I were to play this right now, it should dissolve it from white to this yellow gradient color, just like that. Now if you wanted to change this from a dissolve transition into a wipe transition, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the transition itself. So there's none, theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, fade. What you want to do is go ahead and press on wipe. Now you can wipe it from left to right, wipe it from right to left, up and down and up, whatever the case may be. Sort of the default one right here, sort of from right to left. So if you wanted to go ahead and play it right here, it should now be a wipe transition just like that. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a wipe transition to a between clips here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.